In this video, we're going to take a look at dictionary comparisons. Now, Python is a super flexible language and a very expressive language, so with operator overloading, they're able to redefine how operators work for different data types. And they've provided, for example, the double equals and not equals operators for you to be able to compare entire dictionaries of information to one another. And the same is true for the other types of built-in collections as well. So let me go ahead first here by defining a dictionary called Country Capitals 1. It has a couple of countries and their capital cities. And let's go ahead and define another one. We'll call this one Country Capitals 2. And I'm just pasting these in to save you the time of watching me type. And we'll have a Country Capitals 3 as well. And in each case, you can see we have key value pairs. They're all strings. In the first case, we have Belgium and Brussels for the first key value pair, and Haiti and Port-au-Prince for the second one. And then down here in Country Capitals 3, we have the same key value pairs but in a different order. And we wanted to show you what happens when you compare these different dictionaries. So for example, let's go ahead and compare Country Capitals 1 and Country Capitals 2 for equality. Now if we look at those two dictionaries, you can see that they are definitely not equal. In the first case we have Belgium and Haiti. In the second case we don't have either of those. So clearly they are not equal, and as expected we get false in this case. Now let's go ahead and compare Country Capitals 1 and Country Capitals 3, which do in fact have the same key value pairs even though they're not in the same order. And notice that it is able to compare those as true. So as long as the two dictionaries have exactly the same sets of key value pairs, they will compare as true in that case. And of course, if we compare Country Capitals 1 not equal to Country Capitals 2, and again we can look back and see that they're not equal, in that case we do in fact get true. Now you're able to use operators like this on all of the built-in collections in Python, making it really simple to quickly check whether you have two different collections that have the same data in them.